If you want to delete all tweets at once on X, formerly Twitter, the first thing you need to know is that X does not currently offer an official bulk deletion tool. That means there is no built-in button that will instantly remove every tweet from your account in one click. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the safe, official way to do it and explain the limitation clearly so you know exactly what to expect. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open X in your browser or on your mobile device and log into the account that contains the tweets you want to remove. Once you're inside your profile, go to your posts, also called tweets. You can do this by tapping your profile picture, opening your profile page, and scrolling through your timeline. From there, you'll need to delete tweets one by one manually because X does not provide a native way to bulk delete all tweets at once. For each tweet you want to remove, look for the three-dot menu on the top right of the post. On mobile, this may appear slightly differently, but the three-dot menu is still the place to start. Tap or click those three dots, then choose Delete Post or Delete Tweet, depending on the version of X you are using. A confirmation message will appear, and you should confirm the deletion to permanently remove that tweet from your account. After that, repeat the same process for every tweet you want gone. I know this can take time if you have a lot of posts, but this is the official method that keeps your account safe and avoids unnecessary risk. Be careful if you see third-party tools promising instant mass deletion, because giving access to your account can create privacy or security issues. If your goal is to clean up your profile, it may help to start with the most recent tweets first, or focus on tweets that contain old information, outdated links, or content you no longer want public. Another helpful approach is to review your timeline before deleting so you don't remove anything important by accident. If you are deleting tweets for branding, privacy, or a fresh start, take your time and double-check each post before confirming. And if you're wondering about archiving or downloading your data before deleting everything, that can be a smart backup step before you begin. So to summarize, X does not currently allow you to delete all tweets at once with an official tool, and the safest way is to manually open each tweet, tap the three dots, and choose Delete. It may not be fast, but it is the most reliable and secure method available right now. If this tutorial was useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech guides.